Hey Rick, hey Van, it is. You guys could probably create a video yourself. Um, so the photo gate is already connected to the cable, and that goes to the lab quest on top of the lab quest right here. So there is the side and the top. So you go to the top, plug it in there, and the lab quest connect with this cable to the computer. And the computer is right here. So then Rick can show or can set the camera to get the top command bar, and then you tell them once everything is connected. Okay, let me get out of here. So what you do, you call Logger Pro. So everything is connected, right? You call Logger Pro, and then Logger Pro already identified the sensor, but you can tell in the video that just to be in the safe side, and that should go in the handout, you go to this link below the command bar, you click on this link, and then it appears the sensor photo gate in there. So click on it. The motion timing is the setting that should be, so this is correct. And then you tell them to go to 1, 2, 3, the fourth link below in the pull-up menu bar. So you click on set distance, and then you choose the picket fence. So the default is the first picket fence, 5 centimeters. That's the big one. This one over here. Okay, and if you can also use the cart picket fence, which is this one over here. So either will work fine. So let's do with the big one. Click OK. So 5 centimeters. Click OK, and then you can get out of there. Now, to increase the precision, this clock gives you the number of sensing pulses the photo gate sends out. So I would recommend to go to 40 so that you have a lot of data points. Because see, this is all happening in 0.2 seconds, right? The whole fall is very quick. So you wanna put 40 in here. So you click done, and then you are ready to go. You click collect, and once you do that, you have 18 seconds to complete the experiment. So I'm not going to click now. I'm just going to move to here a little bit. Now, right there. When you guys have to find a way to collect this, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop this, right? I'm going to drop this through the photo gate, but this has to fall not in a hard surface, so it's going to break this fence. In fact, I was playing with the Pasco fence last year, and I chipped the corner of it, right? And I had that fence falling on my backpack. So you guys have to find a way to kind of secure and make sure students are not going to break this, because they easily can. Now, the other point to call attention in the video is the infrared beam comes on the very edge. So when you drop, you have to have this kind of a passing nicely and straight down. It can't be inclined. So the best way to do is to hold it not in the corner, because it's going to be tilted and it's going to, mess your data. So you have to ask students or the professor to hold loosely on the very middle, because now it's vertical, right? And then just drop. And that's what I will do once I start collecting data. So I'm gonna start collecting data, and then I have 18 seconds to go. Okay, now I have 18 seconds. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, there you go. And then you have to click stop the experiment. And then you go to the window. See if it's there. And then you go to the window, left click on the window and click on auto scale, this button auto scale up there. See this button auto scale. And then you feed a line, and then you got 9.77 meters per square second, which is good. So 9.77 meters is equal to 9.81 minus 9.77 divided by 9.81 times 100. So that's 0.4%, 0.4% of error, which is pretty good, okay? And then you can do also with the smaller picket fence and get all of this done, all right? Okay.